Welcome to the Thumbnail God YouTube channel, where I show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails to help you go viral. In today's video, I will be creating this NBA glow thumbnail. Let's go. Click the purple design button and search for YouTube thumbnail. On the left sidebar, go to Projects and click the Folders tab. Then scroll down to NBA glow. Click the image to add it to the page, then resize it until it fits the whole page. Next, we're going to duplicate the image. Click the three dots at the bottom. Go to Layers, Show Layers, then select the image at the bottom. Go to Edit Image, then Filters. Then See All, scroll down to Mono, and click the Noir filter. Now we will make sure the top image is selected. Go to Edit Image and Background Remover. Go down to the shadow, then select Outline, and change the color to white. Change the size to 4. Create a new page. I'll add this image to a page by itself. We're going to go to Share, then Download, select Transparent Background. On Select Pages, uncheck All, and just select Page 2. Now I'll name the image NBA Glow, then download the image to my desktop. I no longer need this page, so I'll delete it. We're going to go to Upload Files. Click the image. We just uploaded. Position the image over the background image. Now we're going to go to Edit Image. Scroll down to Shadows. Then Glow. Change the color to white. Intensity, 100%. Change the size to 27. Then resize it until it covers the bottom image. A bit more, a little bit better. All right, a bit more. This is the final image. If you found this video valuable, like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a thanks. Thumbnail God down in the comment section.